Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Twitch error code 2000. So here's what you can try to fix it. Simply go to Google, click on three dots, go to settings. Now go to performance. First here, you wanna go to general if you're using Chrome. If you're using some other browser, then it might be a bit different, but you wanna add here twitch.tv if you have not already done that. You simply click add and then type in twitch.tv and then click add. As you can see, I already have it. Now here, memory saver, depending on how many gigabytes of memory you have on your PC, you can put this to whatever you want or like experiment and then see what works. The preload pages, I don't use this one. For you, it may vary. Now the second thing you want to do is go to extensions. Now in here, if you have some Twitch specific or some ad block, you can disable it and then try relaunching the Twitch and see if that helps. Maybe the Frankerface Z or SamTV for the chat, or like Dark Reader, or I don't know, ad block, etc. Or the add-on pack. You simply disable them, turn them off, or like uBlock, and then restart like the Twitch and then see if that helps. If that doesn't help, the next thing you can do is press Control and then F5 and it will deeply restart your Twitch page, and maybe that helps. And the last thing you can try, if nothing helps, click on here and then click cookies and site data, and then click here, manage on device site data, and you want to delete all of these. So press trash can on all of these and it will probably log you out of the Twitch, and then you simply log in back again and hopefully your issue should be solved. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Twitch error code 2000. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.